Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnav from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical view. In previous trading session, Nifty opened with an upward gap and traded with positive bias in first half. However, profit booking around 79.40 levels dragged index lower. It has closed around 7891 with gain of 30 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a bearish candle with long upper shadow indicating resistance as well as selling pressure at higher levels. This formation is also resembles with the doji candlestick pattern. However, it has formed a higher high-low formation compared to previous session indicating positive bias. Currently, Nifty is moving in higher top higher bottom formation on the daily chart indicating sustained uptrend. At current level, the chart pattern indicates if Nifty trade and sustains above 79.10 level, then it may witness intraday buying momentum towards 79.40 to 79.80 levels. On the downside, immediate support zone is around 7880 levels. However, any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 78.50 and 78.30 levels. At current level, index is well placed about 20-50 as well as 100-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in near term to short term. Hence, any short term correction will remain as a buying opportunity. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI continued to remain in positive territory indicating sustained strength, whereas the momentum indicator is in negative territory indicating possible consolidation at current level. Some positive bias stock for the day are ONGC, IGL, Oil, Divi's Lab, Ultratech Cement, BPCL, GAIL and Maruti, whereas some negative bias stock for the day are Apollo Tyre, Oro Pharma, Jubilant Food and Reliance. Moving to the USD technical view, in previous trading session USD opened lower and it has extended its down move in initial hours. However, buying momentum at lower levels around 66.80 levels pulled USD higher to close near day's high. It has closed around 66.99 with gain of 0.04%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a bullish candle carrying long lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. Since past 8 to 9 consecutive weeks, USD is consolidating within 67.10 to 66.20 levels, representing short-term sideways trends. Hence, any decisive breakout above 67.10 and 67.20 levels will indicate the further upside momentum. For the day, if USD trade and sustains above 67.05 levels, then it may witness intraday buying momentum towards 67.15 to 67.25 levels. On the downside, 66.90 will act as an immediate intraday support zone. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory and they are quoting above 50 mark indicating strength at current level. Thank you.